Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. Today we're going to focus on another important part of your motorcycle, its battery. To remove the battery, first switch off the ignition. Remove the right-hand panel to access the battery. Open the left-hand panel with a 4mm Allen key. Remove the toolbox. Then disconnect the negative coupler. Always remove the negative terminal first, and then disconnect the positive terminal. Remove the battery holding bracket and pull the battery out. And that's it. You have just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield Twin in good shape.